As VTubers, some of the most common stream redeems you can find are head pads and other interactive elements for chat to use. However, if you have multiple models, you may find that you have to create a new head pad redeem for every single model. What if I told you there was a way to combine it with Mix It Up? Hi, it's Nemi. Today, I'm going to show you how to use one stream redeem button to control all of the head pads or any other interactive elements with multiple models. Before we get anything set up in Mix It Up command, you want to make sure you have the Vtube Studio part set up first. Just running through it quickly, since I know there are other videos that shows it better, you want to make sure you go to the green button over here that says change background, item settings, and pick out the interactive redeem that you would like to use. In this case, we're going with the generic head pad. You're going to click OK, and this will pop up. You can take the head pad, put it on your head, scroll your scroll wheel on your mouse to make it bigger or smaller to how you like it, and that will be set there. You can go into the second green button here that allows you to save it in item scenes and save it over here. So create new item scenes, name it head pad, and save. Afterwards, you're gonna go to your settings and go to where you fix your expressions and toggles, and you can create one that allows you to add your head pads in. So you would do hotkey, scroll down to toggle item scenes, item scene, and you would click, since this is my summer model, this would be summer head pad, and you click that, save, and then have a key combination ready for that. So you want to make sure you do that for all of the models with your head pads. If you haven't seen my previous video about moving multiple models, make sure you take a look at that because part of those commands will be needed for this video. I won't go into too much of it here, but make sure that you have the action group with each one of your models formatted in so that Mix It Up can recognize it. After you have all the commands to switch between your models set into Mix It Up, you can go to your channel points and either create a new redeem or edit a current one. For example, I will use head pad as our example here. And as always, I do have the file in my Discord, which is linked in the description below. So feel free to join the Discord and grab it, or you can just follow along here and replicate it by yourself. You will notice that in my head pad command, I do have 5 conditionals because I have 5 models. So the reason why I say it's important that you look at the previous video first is because having this special identifier, the $VTS current model, is needed in order for this to fully function properly. So I'm going to set the value here, $VTS current model, and then the name of my model, exactly as how it is in Vtuber Studio. Basically, it's saying if my model is on Nemifu, I would like you to run the hotkey on the model for head pads. So it's basically the same thing for all the conditional commands. So in the second one, as you can see, $VTS current model is festive Nemi. And if it is the festive Nemi that's on the screen, run the hotkey for festive Nemi head pads. Same thing here. If the model is winter Nemi, then run the command head pad for winter Nemi. So currently this is one of my models. I'm going to press head pad, play, and you can see the head pad there. Now let me show you if I switch to a model, and since I have the command already in place, switch to the chibi model, I'm going to press the same head pad button. That's going to work again. And then if I switch to another model, let's see, do our cat model, and then I go back to the head pad button. I press it. It's all going to work under the same redeem. So this is going to work the same with any other interactive feature that you want. I have it for clowning. This one is the same here where it's conditional. This is the model it's on. And so if that happens, put the clown nose on me. So if I play it, I get my clown nose. So it works for every single model. That way you don't have to have 5 million redeems for your stream. I hope that was helpful and that you can make your streams a little more organized. Bye-bye!